I'll show you the restaurant that we can go tonight. This way. And that is the tomato restaurant. And you can go. Tomato. Tomato since 1994. So we can go here at the tomatoes. Yeah, we can go here guys tonight. Yeah, let's go. And okay, harap na. Go, let's go. I want this Portuguese baked beef rice with fresh tomato sauce. Entrance. So counter table is a Portuguese style. Okay. And since 1994.
This one is one of the tourist favorite restaurant. It includes in the list of Michelin. Means that it's one of the best restaurant. It's recommended for the tourists and for the locals because a lot of different menu. It means Chinese food and Japanese food and Portuguese food. So we try.
Yeah. Thank you.
It's affordable.
Yeah. And look at this guys. Yeah. It's a Macanese. Guys, this is Singaporean fried noodles and oxtail tongue. Yeah, ox tongue baked beef with fresh tomatoes. Look at that. Gone. Okay. Sarap.
Good.
Yeah, good.
The original Macanese food.
Yes. Guys, it's done. So I recommend you guys to come here and taste the food of Macanese and Portuguese.